Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today we are building a random password generator in Python. It's simple and practical project, so let's jump right in. So let's start by importing necessary modules. So let's import random module, which provides function for generating random numbers, and let's also import string. And let's start by defining our generate password function, password generator. And this function will take three arguments. First is minimum length, and second is hash numbers, and the third one is hash specials. uh, this indicate whether the password should include special characters or not. The default value is true, and this assigns a string containing all ASCII letters, both uppercase and lowercase, to the variable letters, and this assigns a string containing all digits from 0 to 9 to the variable numbers. And let's also punctuation. This assigns a string containing all punctuation characters to the variable specials. And let's create an empty string. So this initializes an empty string random password that will store the generated password. And let's create a while loop here. So this starts a while loop that will continue to execute as long as the length of random password is less than or equal to minimum length, and this appends a random letter from letters to random password. So we are using random.choice function here, and let's create a if statement. This checks if hash number is true. So if that condition is true, then it will append a random number here. And let's similarly do this with hash specials also. So if hash special is true, then we'll append a random punctuation to our random password. And we are done. So what we need to do now is to shuffle our password. Random password equal to, let's we need to convert this into a list so that we can use shuffle method here. And random dot shuffle, and here we need to pass our random password, and we need to convert this into a string. So I'll use here join method, which will convert shuffle this into a string. And let's return our password. And yeah, we are done with our password generator function. And let's start asking user length of our password. So length of password will typecast it the string into an integer because it's a number, and input enter length of the password. And let's also ask the user input want numbers in your password, yes or no. And let's lower case this, and this returns a boolean value. So let's also do this with special. Want special characters in password, this will also return a boolean. And now uh, if length of the password is less than 5, then we'll print this message: password length should be greater than 5, and its minimum length will be 5. And else if length of our password is greater than 30, then we'll print this message: password length should be less. Let's print another message: password length is too long, and an else statement. So this handles case where the entered password length is between 5 and 30, and password equal to, let's call our password generator function and pass length of the password and a boolean contain numbers and contain specials, and we are done. Let's print our randomly generated password. Generated password is password. Let's notice this. So let's enter, what about 5, and I'll enter no one special. As you can see, there is no numbers in our password, and this is our password. And let's test this again. 20, yes, yes, and there we go, we have a randomly generated password. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment if you have any questions, and happy coding.